Oh hey everybody, today we're doing Maryland crab cake egg rolls. We're in Maryland. Obviously it's the best place in the world to ever get a crab cake. Everywhere else sucks. This is the only place. Why not make it into an egg roll? I don't know, I've been seeing it on the internet, but it hasn't been Maryland crab cake, so I'm gonna do it for you. And I'm gonna also show you, it's like a twofer. I'm gonna show you how to make Maryland crab cakes, and then I'm gonna show you how to make them into egg rolls. Very easy. So let's go over these ingredients. A pound of lump crab meat, about 3 tablespoons of just regular mayonnaise. We got 2 regular eggs, got about a half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. This is about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, 1/4 cup or just 1 stalk of celery diced up finely, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and right here we got about 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Old Bay. All right, if you can't find Old Bay, use whatever seafood seasoning your grocery store has, but it's not gonna be as good as if you had Old Bay. Also a little S&P, a little salt and pepper. And then I found some egg roll wraps from the grocery store. They're at every grocery store and they're in the produce department. Look, it's vegan. So you can't just start throwing stuff into a bowl. That's how you mess up. That's how you mess up your very expensive jumbo lump crab meat. There's a specific order that you're supposed to do it in, and that's every ingredient except for the crab, then the crab. So I'm gonna show you. Right here, we're starting out with the mayonnaise. Then we're gonna throw our eggs. Pretty much just gonna throw everything in at the same time, except for the crab. Not the crab yet. Celery, parsley, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, panko breadcrumbs, and then of course now you want to add in that Old Bay action. We're gonna eyeball it. This is not gonna be enough. It's not, but we're gonna try it before we put the crab meat in to make sure we got enough. That seems like I just put 3 tablespoons in. We're gonna mix all this up. Forgot about the S&P. Not much. We don't need that much because there's a lot of Old Bay in here. It's looking good. It's looking right. Let's give her a taste. It's got raw eggs in here. Whoops. It's perfect. We're good. Doesn't need anything else but the crab. Now, I'm gonna throw the crab meat in. Look at this. Get that. It's beautiful. All right, you don't want to start just whisking around like a psychopath. You want to fold it. We're folding it in the sauce. Check it out. This is how you make crab cakes in Maryland. Anybody want to fight me on this? You'd be wrong. See that fold? You see that fold action? Look at that. Now, it seems like it's incorporated enough, in my opinion. If you're making crab cakes, all you'd have to do now, form them into crab cakes, and then sear them in a pan with a little bit of oil, and then you're done. You got crab cakes. But we're making crab cake egg rolls, so I gotta dig deep into my Asian background and roll some egg rolls. How to roll an egg roll 101. What you need to do, lay that down. You want to have a little bowl of water here for you. All right, we're gonna take our finger and we're just gonna wet the edges. So if you have a brush, you can do that. Sweet. Now that everything is wet, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your filling and you're gonna lay it down in the middle like this, or in the old center. And we want a good amount because we want these to be some girthy boys, some thickies. All right, that looks decent to me. Now, you take the edges and you fold them up like that, and then you press down here and here. This is gonna stop them from falling out when you're frying it. And then you go ahead and you take this part and then you roll it up like a burrito. Look at that. And look at that. There you have it. It's a beautiful egg roll, wrapped up, sealed tight, ready for the fryer. So I'm going to roll the rest of these and then you'll find out how much these actually make if you're using the proportions that I have used, and we'll be right back. All right, while this oil is heating up for us to deep fry these egg rolls, I'm gonna show you how to make a sauce. I'm gonna make it up right now, pretty much. You could use cocktail sauce, you could use tartar sauce, Those would be good, but I'm gonna make like a sriracha Old Bay thing. So right here I got about 2 tablespoons of regular mayonnaise. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of dill relish in there because I feel like it's gonna give it a nice zing and some texture, some crunch action. I'm gonna do the same amount of the Dijon. I'll throw that in there. I'm gonna take a little sriracha. I barely have any left. Just gonna spread that in here. Oh boy, we're running out. A teaspoon of each. This is how you make sauce, everybody. It's very simple. Dipping sauce. It's like a spicy McDonald's special sauce. So just a little bit of Old Bay in here. Just a bit. Just some. Keep it. I don't even know. It's all good ingredients. Needs garlic. Throw a little garlic powder in here. Just a little bit. Apple cider vinegar. I'm just gonna splash it in there. Just a little splash. Tastes good enough for me. So in total, it made 10 girthy egg rolls. Look at them. They're beautiful. You could have probably gotten 12 out of them if we didn't use so much filling in each, but I don't know. I couldn't help myself. So we got our deep fryer set to 375. We'll do 2 at a time because why not? Okay, yep. And into the fiery depths with you. Deep fry them until they float. See that? See how it's floating? Look at that. She's done. Golden brown, looking beautiful. And then we're gonna put them over here to dry. That took 4 minutes. 4 minutes, they're done. Just keep an eye on them, and when they float, they're done. That's how you know. Everything's cooked in it anyway, so if anything, you're not gonna be hurt. Shut up. You're not gonna be hurt by anything. So these are looking beautiful. All right. Oh boy. Yes, it's confirmed. It's 4 minutes. 4 minutes in the fryer. They come out looking amazing. All right, so they're done, and they look really good. And I'm gonna crack this one open. I'm gonna see. It's still pretty hot. All right, so let's see. Oh God, it's so hot. Ow, Mr. Jones. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that crab cake filling, looking beautiful. All that steam. All right, we gotta try it with sauce. I want this little piece right here. I'm gonna dip her in the magic sauce I made. It's hot. Hot. Okay, so it wasn't that hot. It was alright. No, these are banging, and that sauce definitely tastes like Big Mac sauce, but spicy. It tastes like a Maryland crab cake, but more convenient to eat. That's what I gotta say. We're going back in. I'm saying, next party you have, if you ever have a football party or any kind of party, whatever, just for dinner, who cares? Make these because they're so good. And they taste like a Maryland crab cake. How can you go wrong? I froze the other half. We made 10, we deep fried 5. I put 5 in the freezer for later. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the like button, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers before, I don't know, the new year. I'm at like 487 right now. Let's get to 500, okay? But anyway, thank you so much. This has been the crab cake egg roll, Maryland crab cake egg roll. Goodbye. Goodbye.